teachers. My name is Jessica and today I am going to do an experiment on the lesson of light. Aim to show that light goes in a straight way. Materials required: 3 CDs, clips, thread, matchbox, a glass and a plate and a candle. First we have to take the CDs and then put clips on it to stand like this. And then we have to do to the 3 CDs. Okay, I kept the 3 CDs with the clips, and then we have to take the plate and the cup. On that we have to keep the candle. The top should look like this. We have to keep the candle like this. To see that the CDs are in straight line, we use a thread. Yes, it is in straight way. And now we have to light the candle. My sister would like to light the candle. Let's check it now by offing the light. See, the light is coming from the holes. So that means the light goes in the straight way. Thank you.